Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to change your site title and tagline in WordPress. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe so that you'll be able to miss out videos like this. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into your WordPress website. So once you're there, you simply click on what settings, after which you click on what general. So guys, once you get to the setting general, you can see site title. You simply need to change it to something else. Let's say thank you for this video. So after which you simply need to change your site, that is the tagline. Say hello. So once you're done with that, you simply scroll down and click on what save changes. So guys, that's actually the way you change your site title and tagline. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comments down below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.